Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First, here see in my lock screen. I have put lock in my phone, and when I unlock my phone, when I try to unlock my phone, it is asking for my password, that is alphanumeric password. Here my current alphanumeric password is Mingy23 Mingy23 and click on done. I would like to change this Mingy23 to another password. So what I have to do is go to the settings first, then go to lock screen, then go to screen lock type, and type the current password for authentication. So I got to type again Mingy23 and click on continue. Now click on password and try another password. I have currently used Mingy23, so I got to use another password now to change from Mingy23 to another. Okay, so now I would like to use Gerolina 24. Gerolina 24 and click on continue. Again type the same password to verify, that is alphanumeric password, Gerolina 24. Okay, and click on sorry, this is 25, so 24. Click on OK, and it is asking for to turn on remote unlock. If you don't want, click on cancel, otherwise you can click on turn on. I cancel it as of now, and I go to home screen and I lock my screen. Now my current password has changed to another one, that is Gerolina 24. So I have to type Gerolina 24 to unlock my phone. Gerolina 24. Okay, click on done. Yes. So in this way you can easily change alphanumeric password from one to another. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.